Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Finn the Human on Dress to Impress from Adventure Time. So we don't need any hair or any face at all. We're just going to straight away go here and we're going to use this and we're going to color that white. That is not white. And then for the smile, we are going to use this one. We are going to use the accessory adjustment feature. I know y'all are sick of me using this, but like, I'm sorry, okay? It should be placed where the mouth is. I'm just trying to like make it super small. Maybe I have to like rotate it a little bit. Like that maybe.
I hope that
And I'm just going to color the outline, whoops, black. And then for the eyes, I'm going to use these earrings in black, and I'm just going to make them super small, and I'm again going to try to position them here, not very close to his mouth though, so I'm just going to move it up a little, and I am going to make them go out a little bit more. It does look weird from the side, so let's not get into that. Then we're going to use the shirt, well I am, and then I'm going to select this color, which is this 788FC3. And then for the shorts, I'm going to use this one, wait. In blue. Maybe like more of a jeans tone actually. I don't really like this shirt. I'm gonna just use this one. Sorry guys. I'm like trying everything. I'm gonna use this blue color. Copy and paste that, and then for the backpack, I'll just use this one, of course, in a light green. There you go. I'll just make everything this color, maybe except I'll do everything this green color. And then you can, I'm going to use some shoes first of all. I'm just going to use these ones in black. I'm going to add socks to it. And then you can like use a sword if you have VIP. If you don't have it, that's also completely optional. I'm not forcing you to have this obviously, and I'm just going to color it blue and white like that. But that is it. If you have time, you can make the rest of the characters near him. I know some people like make little characters near the main one using accessory adjustment, but I don't have the time. Yeah, you can make Jake, sorry, I'm like trying to remember his name. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.